Always remember, your focus determines your reality.
Ladies and gentlemen of Middle Earth, Cyber Hobbit here. Got another unboxing for you. Today is Gimli, 1/6 scale figure from Asmus. Really excited about this one. From all the pictures I can see online, the figure looks basically exactly like the actor in the real movie. The real actor is John Rhys-Davies, for those who don't know. He actually also played Treebeard, fun fact. I picked this directly up from Asmus. Again, it arrived without any tape on it, which I think it's just kind of weird. Usually, I kind of undoing the tape kind of makes you feel like you're guaranteed the first person who's ever opened it, but that's all right. It's directly from Asmus, so I don't know what else you could expect. So Asmus is, if you don't know, pretty much the company when it comes to 1/6 scale figures for The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. I mean, like Weta Workshop does statues, but those are statues. These are posable. You can change them around, change out the clothes, or if you do into that kind of stuff. But they have a Legolas that's coming out soon that I'm actually really excited about. It looks like it has like real hair and stuff like that, so I probably going to be picking that one up. But anyway, let's get on with the unboxing of this. Let's go over the box first. Really kind of premium looking box. Alright, so now let's unbox it. You can see over here on the right, I brought Gloin, who's Gimli's father. This is actually a Weta statue, but right off the bat, I'm immediately seeing a lot of axes. Yeah, those look like the 5 axes that Gimli has. Alright. These are always a little frustrating to get off. That's alright. Alright, so check out this little guy. Look at his beard. See, this is what you get over a statue. You get actual real looking hair. That's great looking. Look at the detail of that. Let me do a little zoom in. Yeah. See, this is exactly what I was talking about. Yeah, this looks great. This looks exactly like I hoped. Okay. Well, anyway, remove his little boots, slippers. Get the kind of chainmail looking stuff. I love his beard. Yeah, I guess that's just, this is all his beard. Yeah, okay. His hair is clearly just separated from the, man, that's a long time growing a beard. Although, Daddy's got over here, this guy's got a pretty big beard himself going on, so. But, so, besides just him, get all his little axes, which I'm anxious to check out. See if we can get any of them out. But, oh wow, yeah, they have weight to them. Oh, because this is metal. Yep, this is real metal. I love that they do that. It, really brings a nice realism to it. This looks, yeah, man, this is a little piece of metal. I mean, you could, wow, it's actually sharp. I mean, not sharp, but the point. Do some damage with that. It's a pretty cool recreation, highly accurate, I think. So, here's his battle axe. This is another United Cutlery piece that I do not own. Get it out. Wow, it's heavy. It's so heavy. Wow. It takes fingerprints pretty easily, so I guess I gotta watch out for that, but looks really good. Zoom in on that as well. Metal as well. Well, besides this part's not metal. I guess this is like a resin or something. Yeah, this is the blade is metal, needless to say. Not exactly sure which one this is, but it's cool. Zoom in on that one as well. Gloin over here, he actually has a little axe right there, and this axe that he's holding right here, well, turns out, I guess he passed those on to his son, because look what I have here. The same exact axe, and then here is the little throwing axe. It's right here, and yeah, these are literally the same scale. That's so funny. I didn't know that. I want to get his helmet. Put his helmet on. It's amazing the detail they really put into these things, man. Looks very accurate. So, be able to just kind of, oh, I guess it goes under it. Guess I need to go get a brush for his hair now. That's okay. Kind of mess his hair up a little bit. Or his beard. It's okay. He's kind of supposed to be a little battle worn. All right. Yeah, it looks much better with his helmet on. Yeah, it looks great. Alright, so do a little size comparison next to Daddy over here. Of course, this is made by a different company, but it's 1/6 scale, so theoretically, yeah. Not really sure who was supposed to be taller, but that's it. It's pretty accurate, right? Father and son. Alright, so there's more things in the box, but I just wanted to do a comparison of the size really quick. So, besides all his cool little axes he's got, comes with a stand, and as well as some extra hands over here to change out for if you want to have fists or for holding these various items, which I plan on him holding 2 items at once. And then he's got a little cloak here. Ah, how cool. Got his little leaf on here too. It's so neat. Goes right in here. And this out of the way a little bit. Alright, so now I got them all set up here on the stand. So really the only thing left is to get his weapons on. To do that I'm gonna need to change the hands, so. Okay, I think I got him all set up now. Learned a few things in the process. Figured out everything that I thought was wrong was actually not. So it turns out his hands actually can just open up. Like the finger can separate so you can put any of the axes in there. I think there was just a bit of paint that was just kind of joining fingers together that I just kind of tugged a little bit and pulled it apart. I got confidence that I could do that because I opened up the manual and it actually showed him holding these, so I knew that he was supposed to. But anyway, got every axe on him now. He's got all 5 of them. He's got this one right here. Obviously this one. He's got this one right here. He's got this one. And then on the back, he's got his battle axe. It's so cool. You don't really notice it, but yeah, I mean, Gimli's carrying around 5 axes the whole time. I just think that's a pretty cool little, you know, like Aragorn's got a knife and a sword. Like everybody else has like 1 sword or whatever. Gimli's carrying a whole arsenal of weapons, but yeah, this guy is so cool looking. Definitely do not regret buying this thing. You know, he looks like he just walked off of the movie screen to me. There's some fixing that I could do to his beard, but man, I just think he looks so cool. But it just goes to show you, you know, like how accurate these things kind of look next to each other. Like, really cool. So glad that I was able to get him to hold the right axe, because I mean that's as I learned today, that's his dad's axe. As well as that little one he's got right there on the side. Now, Gimli's got his own on the side as well. And you know, comparison to Aragorn, bring him up while I have it. Yeah, I think the size is pretty accurate. Definitely think that, you know, Gimli is far superior. Just because, you know, he's got real looking hair, and I don't know, I think the face is just way more like compared to, yeah, I mean that's it. It looks like Aragorn, not like Vigo. That's what I say. But anyway, this is great. If you guys like this video, appreciate if you could subscribe or like. But till next time, bye bye.